Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for February 21st. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This pair gapped down at the open, has retraced, is moving higher. We are looking for it to continue moving overall sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 92.66, possibly as low as 91.08. Look for some resistance around 92.15 and look for some support around 91.35. Okay, now looking at the EURUSD pair, this particular pair gapped up, has not retraced as of yet, is moving down. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 136.69, possibly as low as 133.66. Look for some resistance around 136.50 and look for some support around 134.96. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed down on Friday, did gap up a little bit, about 25 pips, has retraced it. We are looking for this pair to continue moving to the downside with a bias to the downside. However, that doesn't preclude a move to the upside, so definitely keep an eye on that. Look for some resistance around 155.45 and look for some support around 153.50. Okay, now the US Swiss, this particular pair closed down on Friday, did gap down, has retraced. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways, but has a bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 109.56, possibly as low as 107.13. Look for some resistance around 10800 and look for some support around 107.15. Okay, as far as news announcements goes, we don't have any news announcements for tomorrow, no significant news announcements rather for tomorrow. Now, let's take a look at the EURUSD pair. This pair moved higher on Friday, did close higher, did gap up 43 pips at the open, has pulled back a little bit. Now, in contrast, the pound US dollar pair has moved lower on Friday and did gap up, but only about 25 pips, so there is a discrepancy in how far they gapped up. Not to mention Friday, the pound moved lower, the EURUSD moved higher. These are correlated pairs, they should be moving together. I do anticipate a potential, or there is a potential for the pound US dollar to pull back. Let's take a look at where it could potentially pull back to. Draw a trend line here. I believe we could get a pullback up to this level. Now, where would be a good place to go ahead and buy into that? Well, a good place to buy in would be the high of Friday. That puts us a little bit above previous support over here, and we could get a run up if we do get a reversal. It has filled the gap, moving lower, so now it can go ahead and move higher. A lot of times it will do that first. It will go ahead and fill the gap in one direction and then completely reverse and move the other. This would be about an 85 pip move, which is a significant move. I would use a 1-to-1 risk to reward on this one. Basically looking to buy and then looking to sell at this point. So buy, come up to here and sell. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, reversal. Nice thing about reversal trades, if it doesn't happen, if this pair just shoots down, of course there's no risk in that trade. So a lot of times you get a lot less false breakouts if you look for reversals than if you look for breakouts going in the same direction. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.